Imagine waking up one day and realizing that the way you've searched for information your entire life has quietly become outdated, almost primitive. For decades, we typed keywords into a search bar, hoping that the magic algorithm would somehow understand what we wanted. We accepted the constant barrage of ads, pop-ups, SEO-hacked blogs, and irrelevant sponsored posts as if they were a natural part of the internet experience. We clicked link after link, sometimes 10, sometimes 20, just to find one accurate piece of information buried deep inside a page designed more for ad revenue than for human clarity. This was normal. This was the world we grew up with. But suddenly, almost without warning, a new kind of intelligence appears, one that doesn't play by any of those old rules. Instead of throwing you into an ocean of links, this AI listens to you. You ask a question, and it gives you the exact answer. Clear, personalized, accurate, and instant. No scrolling, no spam, no hunting for the one paragraph hidden under 20 ads. This is not a future we're imagining. This is a future happening right now, unfolding in real time. And this shift is so powerful, so disruptive, that many experts genuinely believe this new wave of AI could destroy Google search as we know it. AI engines like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, and several fast-rising challengers are already answering questions in ways that feel faster, sharper, cleaner, and more human than Google ever has. Google gives you blue links and hopes you find your way. AI gives you the final result crafted, refined, and delivered like a personal research assistant working exclusively for you. Ask for a travel itinerary, a business strategy, a code fix, a recipe adjusted to your taste, a workout plan, or even a summarized version of global news. AI doesn't merely point you somewhere. It gives you exactly what you asked for, without noise, without distraction, without ads, without the exhausting maze of web pages. For the first time ever, millions of people are choosing AI over Google, not because it's trendy, not because it's hyped, but because it's genuinely better, fast, and incredibly efficient. And here's the part that keeps Google awake at night. Their entire $200 billion search empire depends on ads. Google makes money on clicks, every scroll, every page view. But if AI gives you answers directly, if you never need to click a website again, if you never have to navigate through Google's ad-filled ecosystem, where do the ads go? How does Google maintain its revenue? How does the entire business survive? AI startups don't have this problem. They aren't chained to an outdated business model that punishes innovation. They are free to move, free to evolve, free to build the future without worrying about crushing their own profits. They are free to move, free to evolve, free to build the future without worrying about crushing their own profits. This is why tools like Perplexity are exploding at a speed no one expected. People are calling it Google, but without the nonsense, clean answers, verified sources. No keyword manipulation, no clickbait games, no SEO war, just pure information, delivered instantly. And younger generations are switching the fastest. Students use AI to research entire subjects in minutes. Programmers use AI instead of digging through decade-old forum threads. Businesses rely on AI to summarize reports, analyze data, and find insights without hours of manual searching. Every field where Google once dominated is slowly being overtaken by AI assistants that work faster, smarter, and more intuitively. But this is just the beginning. Soon, AI won't only answer questions, it will act on your behalf. It won't be a search engine. It will be your personal digital agent. It will understand your habits, your preferences, your schedule, your budget, your long-term goals. Instead of browsing, scrolling, comparing, and analyzing, your AI will simply handle tasks for you. Want a full vacation planned? Done. Want the cheapest, highest quality product tailored to your needs? Ordered. Want to understand a complex topic? Summarized in seconds. This isn't a better version of search. This is the end of traditional search. But here's the twist. Google still holds one massive advantage: data. No company on Earth has more information about how humans think, search, watch, click, and behave. Billions of searches every day, billions of YouTube interactions. An ocean of patterns, signals, and user behavior that could train the most powerful AI systems ever created. If Google can evolve its models fast enough, if they're bold enough to risk their existing business model, they could still win the next era of the internet. They could dominate the AI-first world the way they dominated the search-first world. But the question is, will they move fast enough? Will they take the risk? Or will fear of breaking their own revenue machine slow them down until it's too late? One thing is absolutely guaranteed. The internet is about to change forever. Whether Google adapts or gets swept aside, AI is already rewriting the rules for how humans find information. This battle AI versus Google search is not just another tech rivalry. It is the biggest shift the digital world has seen in decades. And whatever happens next will reshape the future of knowledge, business, education, and the entire web. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Do you think AI will replace Google search, or will Google fight back and win? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.